You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this procedure, surgery procedure, operation. If you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing and often confused, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, pronounced in English as panniculectomy. Let's break down the pronunciation in English. Panicu or panniculectomy. Panniculectomy. How to pronounce in English. English pronunciation. Removing excess fat. Panniculectomy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.